Field trips. The local vegetable market could be an equally exciting place full of new sights and sounds. The doctor's clinic, bus depot, post office, and police station could all introduce children to an unfamiliar but interesting world, teaching them many new things. Small local field trips, as part of the learning process, reinforce the knowledge the children have gained in the classroom and push them to ask more questions and build further connections with things that they already know. Children also learn to manage themselves and learn to be with others through these experiences. Learning math through nature walk. I often take my entire class to the nearby park for the nature walk. I usually start asking my children to close their eyes and hear all the noises and see if they could name them. There are many possible ways I can engage my children here on. For example, we go around to find 5 things that are bigger than they are. Example, tree, swings, car, gate, fountain, and 5 things that are smaller than them. Example, pebbles, leaves, sticks, worms, butterfly. As we go around, I ask them to remember names of these things and how they look so that when we go back to the classroom, we can fill it in our worksheet. I find this is a great activity to break the monotony of sitting in a classroom and to make learning more fun and a very useful way to engage them in important concepts like sorting and comparing objects around them according to the various properties like size. So I prepared a worksheet, things that are smaller than me, bigger than me.